What you are going to write? Yes, correct. CW. Okay. Now here, corner of the page, you can write today's date. Now children, first we write O, Au, Aha. So what heading here? Write with me. Below the margin line, WRITE, write. 1 finger distance. O, 2, Aha. Correct? Now, leave one line and write here first. Half circle, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, one slanting line on second standing line, sleeping line, O. Now take 1 finger distance and write half circle, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, one slanting line on second standing line, second slanting line on second standing line, and sleeping line. Okay. Again take 1 finger distance and write half circle, sleeping line, standing line, and 1 dot on the standing line and sleeping line, that is Again take 1 finger distance, half circle, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and put 2 dots after the O, that is Aha. So children, read after the teacher loudly. O, Au, Aha. Now what we have to do? We have to copy all the 4 letters on this page like this. Okay, first you have to leave 1 line and write with me. Half circle, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, slanting line on second standing line, and sleeping line O. Parents, be sure that children have to say the stroke and write the letter. Okay. Again 1 finger distance, half circle, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, slanting line on second standing line, second slanting line on second standing line, and sleeping line. Again take 1 finger distance and write half circle, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, and 1 dot Again 1 take finger distance and half circle, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, put 2 dots before O, that is Aha. So O, Au, Aha. Like that you have to copy all the 4 letters. Okay. Now next, leave 1 line and start half circle, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, slanting line on second standing line, sleeping line O. Half circle, sleeping line, standing line, second standing line, slanting line on second standing line, second slanting line on second standing line, O, and sleeping line. Again 1 finger distance, half circle, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, dot half circle, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, 2 dots Aha. Like this you have to copy all the letters. Okay. Now on the last line, O, 1 finger distance, Au, again take 1 finger distance, again take 1 finger distance, and Aha. Okay children, so like that you have to do the classwork. Okay. Now we will do the homework. Okay. Now on the next page, here top of the page, what you are going to write? H dot W dot. Correct. And here corner of the page, write today's date. Okay. And below the margin line, write the instruction, that is WRITE, write 1 finger distance, क्या लिखा हमने अभी? O2 aha. So write here O TO2 aha. Okay, and leave one line and write the heading, that is half circle, slipping line, standing line, one more standing line, slanting line, slipping line, O. Take one finger distance, half circle, slipping line, standing line, one more standing line, slanting line on second standing line, slanting line on second standing line, that is O. Again take one finger distance and write half circle, slipping line, standing line, dot and slipping line, Again half circle, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, two dots, aha. So O, au, aha. This is your homework and you have to copy that all the 4 letters on this page. Correct? Now children, turn the page. We are going to write to aha on one page. Okay? So, turn the page and here top of the page you are going to write C dot W dot. Correct? And here corner of the page what you are going to write? Today's date. Okay? So, below the margin line write the instruction. Below the margin line and again leave one line and write instruction. WRITE, write, one finger distance, half circle, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, or one finger distance, TO2, one finger distance, half circle, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, and two dots. Now children, you know all the to aha letters, correct? Now we have to write all the to aha letters on one page. Okay, are you ready for that? Very good. So let's start with the teacher. So leave one line and write with me. Half circle, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, O. Which is this letter? O. O say Ana. Now take one finger distance, half circle, slipping line, standing line, one more standing line, slipping line. Which is this letter? A. A say arm. Again take one finger distance, standing line, half circle, again half circle, make a node and slipping line, that is E. E say Imli. Again take one more half circle, standing line, half circle and make a node, slipping line and little bit turn or half circle, that is E. E say Eek. Correct? Now leave one line and write on next line, that is half circle, slipping line, that is Oo. Oo say Ulu. Next take one finger distance and write half circle and little bit small curve, slipping line, that is Oo. Oo say oon. Now again take one finger distance and write standing line, slanting line, slipping line, half circle, make a knot, slipping line, that is Re. Re. Now take one finger distance and write standing line, second small standing line, slanting line on first standing line, below the first standing line and slipping line, that is A. A say AD. Again take one finger distance, standing line, second small standing line, slanting line below the first standing line, slipping line and slanting line on second small standing line, that is I say Ainak. Now leave one line and write here. After I, which letter will come? Yes, correct. So write here half circle, sleeping line, standing line. One more standing line, slanting line on second standing line, sleeping line, that is O. Now take one more finger distance and half circle, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, second slanting line on second standing line, again second slanting line on second standing line, that is O. So take one finger distance, half circle, sleeping line, standing line, and one dot on, and that is Again take one finger distance, half circle, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, put two dots before the that is aha. So read with me. O, A, E, U, U. Re, A, I, O, Au, aha. Wow, we write all the to aha letters on one page. And what is? We are ready for the writing. Very good. So children, now it's a homework time. So on next page, write here H dot W, that is homework page. Here corner of the page, what you are going to write? Today's date. Now below the margin line, write the instruction WRITE, write one finger distance A to aha. Correct. So this is your homework page. Now you have to write A to aha correctly. Okay. Now children, homework is complete. Okay. So children, now we will start next. And here corner of the page, what you are going to write? Today's date. Correct? Now here, this is your margin line, and top of that line, what you are going to write? Standing line, half circle, one more half circle, but don't touch to the standing line, sleeping line, ko, and make a dash in front of ko and write ko se ka la ma, ka se kalam. So here we will draw the column. Okay. So how you are going to draw the column? Put two slanting line and touch that slanting line with sleeping line. Again draw two slanting line and touch that slanting line. And like this, draw half circle here and touch that slanting line. Again like this. So ये हो गई हमारी कलम, क से कलम. So below the margin line, start here. Here standing line, half circle, one more half circle, but don't touch to the standing line, sleeping line, क से कलम, क से kalam or ka se kamal. Again take one finger distance, standing line, half circle, again one more half circle, but don't touch to the standing line, sleeping line, ka se kalam or ka se kamal. Again take one finger distance, standing line, half circle, again one more half circle, sleeping line, ka se kalam or ka se kamal. Leave one line and start like this, standing line, half circle, one more half circle, but don't touch to the standing line, sleeping line, ka se kalam or ka se kamal. Take one finger distance and write standing line, half circle, one more half circle, but don't touch to the standing line, sleeping line, k se kalam. Here you can see I take not one finger distance but little more than that. Okay, so why? Because we are going to copy that k only 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so again standing line, half circle, again one more half circle, sleeping line, that is k se kalam. Parents, if you are think that is today is too much writing, but parents, today is Friday also and Saturday Sunday is a holiday, so that days you can utilize and take writing from your children. Okay, so don't be panic, there are 2 days and that day is enough for the writing, so you can utilize that days. Okay, so children, start on the next line, k se kalam. Okay, now last one is standing line, half circle, one more half circle, but don't touch to the standing line, sleeping line, that is k. Now parents, आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि हमने स्वर तो 4 टाइम लिखे थे, अभी व्यंजन 3 टाइम ही क्यों? क्योंकि वो फर्स्ट टाइमिंग का राइटिंग था, हिंदी वो फर्स्ट टाइम राइट करने वाले थे, स्वर वो फर्स्ट टाइम राइट करने वाले थे. दैट्स व्हाई we copy that all the swar 4 times, but they are habitual now that how to draw all the strokes. That's why we are going to copy all the vyanjan only for the 3 times. Okay, now children, next page. Here top of the page, what you are going to write? C dot W dot, correct? And here corner of the page, today's date. Okay, so what will be the second vyanjan? Yes, that is kh. Kh se khat. Kh ta. Kh se khat. So here we are going to draw the kh se khat. How we will draw the khat? Sleeping line. On next line another one sleeping line. Join that sleeping line with 2 standing line. Take one slanting line from one corner and touch to the second sleeping line, and from second corner one more slanting line, touch to the second sleeping line, that is kh se khat. So how you are going to write kh se khat? Half circle, go down, again half circle, go up, standing line, and one more half circle, touch to the standing line, sleeping line, kh se khat. Take one finger distance and write half circle, go up, come down with standing line, and one more half circle with standing line, sleeping line, kh se khat. Take one more finger distance and write half circle, go down, come up with standing line, and touch to the sleeping line, and half circle, sleeping line, kh se khat. Leave one line and start with me. Half circle, go up, come down, again half circle, touch to the standing line and sleeping line, kh se khat. Again half circle, go up, come down, and half circle, sleeping line, kh se khat. So like that you have to write kh se khat. Okay, and the last one is half circle, then one more half circle, go up, come down, standing line, again half circle, sleeping line, kh se khat. So children, today we learned 2 vyanjans, that is kh se khat and kh se kalam or kh se kamal. So parents, first I will show you how to check the classwork. Okay, so if they write correctly or nicely, handwriting is very good, then put the correct sign and appreciate with the star. Okay parents, again I am telling you that is there are not too much writing, but you are think that how many writing, how many pages are there, classwork also, homework also. Then not to worry, there are 2 days, that is Saturday, Sunday. You can utilize that days. Now children, turn the page. We will write the homework. So here top of the page, write h.w, and here corner of the page, write today's date. So below the margin line, write the instruction, write the heading, that is standing line, half circle, sleeping line, curse Kamal. Take 1 finger distance and write curse Kalam or curse Kamal. Okay. So children, if you want to draw the picture here, you can draw the picture here. Okay. And copy all the curve on this page, but handwriting should be neat and clean. Now on second page, that is HW, and what you are going to write here? Yes, K. So half circle, again half circle, go up, come down, and half circle, sleeping line, K se Khat, K se Khat. Okay. Again you have to copy all the K 3 times on this page. K 3 times and K also 3 times. So today we learn the 2 Vyanjan, that is K and K. Do homework properly and nicely. Okay children? Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning.